What is up, YouTube, and welcome if you guys are new around here. Seriously, thank you for stopping by. I know we're a small channel, we're still growing, so thank you for taking the time to watch this video. That's enough of that spiel. Make sure to like this video if you do want to see more content like this, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the Zora little Easter egg on the C8 Corvette. I think this is an incredible thing to have Easter eggs on cars. This is stuff we have in video games, movies, shows, anything that you guys could really enjoy, they could have Easter eggs in it, and that's just a nice little homage to it. And if you guys are asking yourself, who's Zora? Maybe you're just getting into Corvettes, maybe you're just getting a love for cars. So basically, long story short, Zora is kind of like the godfather of, or the father of the Corvette. He kind of came in and he kind of brought it to be what it is today, and he had this dream and aspiration back in the 70s, back when everybody thought he was crazy to have this mid-engine Corvette, and obviously that wasn't even achieved and actually completed until 2020, which I think is an amazing, beautiful car. And I think this is such a nice little homage that they paid to him by having his little face, as you can see, in the bottom right side of the windshield. With that being said, into some other news, it's finally happening. We're actually gonna start seeing convertible versions of the C8 Corvette out on the road. This is amazing. So I mean, I feel like this car is taking so long to come out, taking so long to actually see. We're never going to be able to actually see this car on the road, besides when they're at that $100,000 price category. But if you guys actually do want a Corvette, I really urge you to look at like Auto Trader. You can find them at 60 grand and you can negotiate with the dealership from there. I really encourage you to be spending that much. Don't be spending 40 over MSRP if you just want one LT. That's all we have for this one. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new around here. You guys want to see amazing content like this. I want to see 2 more of you guys join the channel and join the family. Make sure to comment down below what's your favorite version of the Corvette. Personally, I'm really excited for this Z06 coming out in 2022. I made a video yesterday about it. Make sure to check out that video. That's all we have for this one, and you guys have a great one.